trying to figure out the limit as n goes to infinity of the sum from I to n of 10 over n, and we're doing right endpoints, so 10 over n I squared plus 7. So first of all, I know n is going to infinity, but we're actually going to ignore the limit until the very end of the problem, okay? So we're going to worry about this later.
Okay.
In the meantime, we're going to say, well, you know what? We will have set n to be some specific number, like 100. So this is a constant multiple that can be factored out. Okay, so I'm going to factor out the 10 over n, because for any particular situation, we will have picked an n, like 100 or 50 or whatever. It's the I that's the variable. It's the I that's changing. And then this turns into 100 I squared over n squared, and then plus 7. There's a rule, I mean, just think about it in adding in general. The order that you add things doesn't matter. So I could rewrite this then as the two different sums, 100 I squared over n squared plus, but the 10 over n is, you know, multiplying the whole thing. Oops. Okay, so I broke up the sum as two separate sums. And then the 100 over n squared, I can actually factor out also, because n is going to be set for any particular situation. It's the I that's changing. And that one, I'm not changing at the moment. So now you want, once you get that line, now you want to look at the front page of your notes that I handed you, and you'll notice that there's a little pattern for when you're adding squares. If I add 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus so forth up to n squared, the final answer is going to be equal to n, whatever n I'm stopping, times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Okay, so this is going to get replaced with the n times n plus 1 times 2n plus 1 over 6. And this is going to end up being 70 over n. So let's, 70 over n times n. It's 10 over n times 7 times n. And then the 7 and the, okay, why that turns into 7 times n, just think about if I was just going from 1 to 5, there's no I here. So this is telling me just to add 7 and 7 and 7 and 7 and 7. So how many 7s did I add? 5. So the answer is going to be the same as 5 times n, whatever my n is. So my summation here,
Didn't those ends cancel in that last term?
yes, the n's are going to cancel. So I'll do that in just a second. All right, so following my little summation rules that I gave you on your notes,